Welcome for XPR Techie. I'm Ragini, hoping everyone is doing good. Here we're going to cover how if the Windows C is full of storage. Here I'll be telling about 8 steps, so you can follow it one by one. We'll see. First step is you have to run with command, so you can use application R. Over there you have to type prefetch. I have to give an enter. Over here you can find n number of files. These are all temporary, no need to worry, you can delete. So if some files were there, it will ask for the try again. There will be no permission, so you can make it for the skip. In the same manner, go it for again for application R. Over here you have to type %temp. It's a %temp. Click on it. You can find C manu some files. Make it select and delete it. So these are the 2 steps where you can clear the memory. Yes. In the same manner, we have to have the feature where it is going to clean up more memory. Go with an disk cleaner. Here you can see. Go it with an open. It will ask which drive you want to make it clear. Make it for permission. It will take couple of minutes once you are doing it first time. And over here you can find what are the files you need to clean up. I'll make sure that recycle bin and temporary files, and I'll go with an OK. So that means it's asking for the delete. Okay, it will take a couple of times. Meanwhile, we'll see in the Windows C, we have to go with Windows. Over here you can find the software distribution. Over this software distribution you will be fine with a file called downloads. Over there you can delete the files which you have got download previous to now. Here I can't see the download because I have deleted the file already. And usually if the memory is more in the Windows C, means we do have some feature where it will get automatic update and files will be getting added to the Windows C. We'll make sure that not to avoid because we need a free space. Over that we do have some settings. Kindly go with Windows 7. Windows. Over here go with an System 32. Over here go for the services. Make sure you're clicking on the right button. Yes, make it open. Over here you have to go with Windows Update. Scroll it around, say it will come with W word. Here it's an Windows Update. If you click on that, it will be pop up with message. So how it is going to work? Open it. Here the type, if it is manual, automatic, disable. The main is whenever the new apps or new notification is going to come, it is going to automatically added, or it may be manually added for the disk drive, for the C drive. Hence it is getting more storage, so we have to avoid that. So make it disable, make it OK. So from now onwards the cache memory and all will not be added to Windows 10. And along with this we have to go with the Google to delete the cache memory. Or you can find a new tab, go with an 3 dotted, go with an settings. Over here scroll it down, come with clear browsing data. Here we do have the options with 7 days or 4 days or all time. You can mention based on your any record data if you are needed. And we do have another type, how to clean up. So this is the, you have to go with CMD. It's an run command prompt. Open it. Over there we are going to delete any DNS data. So for that you have to use ipconfig/flush. That means we are just deleting flush of DNS. So DNS is a domain name system where it is going to store some particular data. Click on the enter, so you can find it was successfully deleted. So based on these steps, one by one, you can find that most of the memory will be getting. So in the same manner, you can find that by doing all these steps, finally the memory is going to less in the C drive. And we do have another type. If the D drive is full, so you can make sure that copy these some files to and paste in C drive or E drive. I hope it will be helpful. Thank you for the video. Thank you for the video. If you like the video, go for the like, subscribe and share. Thank you.